Test for leaks at the water supply and tank connection by running water through the system while inspecting every joint and surface. Start by turning the shutoff valve to allow water to fill the tank slowly, and watch the supply line nut at the shutoff and the tank inlet nut for any visible moisture. Once the tank reaches its fill level, flush the toilet and observe the base of the tank and the floor around the closet flange for any signs of water. Look for slow spreading that may only appear after several flushes. Use a dry paper towel or tissue to pat each connection point and the threaded nuts. A damp spot on the towel locates a tiny leak faster than sight alone. If you see seepage at the supply nut, slightly tighten the nut a quarter turn at a time with an adjustable wrench while supporting the valve body so you do not twist the shutoff or tubing. For leaks at the tank to bowl connection, remove the tank cover and inspect the tank bolts, rubber gasket, and washers for correct orientation and compression. Hand tighten bolts, then alternate small turns with a wrench until the gasket flattens evenly without crushing. If the supply is a braided flexible line, ensure the ferrule and nut seat fully and that the line is not kinked. If the leak persists after careful tightening, replace the supply line or gasket, rather than over-torquing, which risks cracking the tank. Common mistakes include relying on visual inspection only, which misses slow or intermittent drips, so always use a dry towel to test points and recheck after several flushes. Over-tightening connections is frequent and can strip threads or crack porcelain, so tighten incrementally and stop when resistance increases noticeably. Ignoring internal tank components leads to hidden leaks from the flush valve or fill valve. If water appears between tank and bowl, drain the tank, remove it and reseat or replace the rubber gasket and washers before reassembling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information tied to leak detection and toilet installation best practices, so we help match people and projects efficiently. We also host an active discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange real-world tips and troubleshooting experiences.